Yo, like when I see how Jamaica running, you see me? You come here and see me. If you send some money for me, yeah. Yeah, man. Cool. Because you don't see me have all the house and even a room me can rent, you see me? True. For real, man. Where say you help me?
Yeah, I will help you.
Where say you help me? Alright, that's how I work, yeah?
Uncle, don't worry yourself. Let me go over there and I take care of it.
If you call me, you know.
Alright.
No, man, I want justice. No, man.
Wash the plate.
At first I come over, not true, girl. I'm going to Portland I come from. Not true. No,
At first, I come over from get water, though. Show what here. Let me finish this.
People, the Jamaica Water Company has locked off the water on us. For days now, we can't have no water. We don't have no water to bathe. We don't have no water to cook. We don't have no water to wash our clothes. We don't have no water to feed our kids. They've locked the water off on us. We have to come to the river to come and swim and bathe and everything. We're paying our water bill. We pay our water bill. Every month we ensure our water bill is paid. They're trying to take us away. They're trying to trick us. They're trying to trick us. They're trying to... We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want water. Water now. We want water. And we need justice. I need to bathe.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror and he is no friend of me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm
Stop now.
I'm so gone. No, I'm never turning back. I won't stop. I'm a fighter till there's nothing left. It's so what? You're gonna be hurting back. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong. You will never see me crack.
Bunny Dog Big Rock. Welcome to John Road City, right? So it is natural down to the earth, you know what I mean? River water. They've locked off the water, and with the yasso, I go on all the time. Everybody has to play. I don't know if still between them there. What it does to the ground. See that? Everywhere I go. You want justice? We want water. We want water. This is madness. This is madness. We pay our bill on time. We pay for water. We get high water bill and no water sometimes. Some communities, months, years, there's no water. We pay our bill. We pay our bill.
Yeah, but because you see for them phone, everybody different, you know, so you can't go through it. Yes, so you shouldn't vex. You sound like you're vexed. You sound like you're upset. You sound like you carry heavy feelings.
Nice somebody, I'm a can't go.
No.
Man, I'm for feel good about that.
Don't touch me.
I'm telling you,
Girl! Hey, I think they got a rally. Nichols out. Rally. You look at that. How's that? Pull them down. Pull up your girl and a phone box. Yo! What's nice, baby? No, but I put that on birthday for you. I want you to go and keep your hand on. Yeah, John! Let's see him. Woo! Woo!
Turn the camera, yeah, yes, yes.
just imagine. You know when a Rasta man imagine, you're a Rasta man. Sing. Sing Rasta man. Rasta man, sing. Rasta man. Number one, Flim. Richard Brown, Flim. You see it? Watch out now. Big up the fans them. Big up Jizzy Bear them. You understand? More. Watch out now. Big up Popeye. Me and him a roll to them mount a some mount a girl. Yo, hear me now? Watch out now. I know joke thing. Girl, them a show me them brass here. You hear me now? You know what I mean? Be a pretty girl. Yo, big up Fire Rat, Richard Brown. I mean, Alton Garden, you know what I mean? The thing large. Watch out now. Big up Soji. Girl, them say go viral. You know what I mean? Yo, pop it on. They say a word. Song them a shot. Ooh, watch out now.
Pop it on. This is bad.
This is the whole little ketchup on the keep it there.
Hey, we're there. No man, it's a record. We're there, Rowan River, you know?
There, man. They lock off the water, so I watch and shoot two scene, you know? Whole team there. Some people miss the boat. Whole team there said we.
Brittany, you hear me? Come talk to me if you talk to me. Don't come like excitement in that place.
Brittany, just give me a chance, man, and don't make that serpent attack come between me, man. Just beg you,
Hey!
please.
Come
Please.
for that done life, sitting here. Come.
Please.
Cause done life, done pan it. You come.
So if you never woman, me box her down again. I tell her that straight in the moment. I tell her that.
I'm just a man in the mirror.
Come on, man.
Alright, so.
Oh, yeah, even
Oh, me know say that.
Ready.
Brittany, come on. Me get it from good source, yeah, don't you say it. Good source, me get it from, yeah, don't you say it. Why this mic cannot turn for me, sir?
I know somebody might have done for you.
Mean.
Go on again. Hold on.
Stop laughing with me, now, girl. Stop laughing with me, now. I don't want you, you know. I tell you already.
Alright, Alton, we know, right? Action.
Alright. I'm go up on a chat for 1 2 weeks. I'm come to the realization that coming on me. Listen. Do not bother with it. Me find somebody else on my way coming up and she in at the house now. She beat out and me out, so just go tell me go out a while ago. And me easy myself. No bother with it. You lose your chance. Why you never come when me come? Eh? Why you never come when me come? Wait. Wait now. Why you never come when me come? Eh? You think say me I go wait for you to come? Me I come before you. Me that's why me come up here. Me have him link up my mouth.
Yeah. Ready, hurry up.
Yo.
Let me go.
Listen to me. Brittany, don't bother with the excitement in my face, here. Do not bother with it.
I bet you me bun down with you now tonight.
You better go on down to say, here. Go on where you go.
But I know you sleep, yeah? I know you sleep.